After I ordered the Wingsland S6 drone, I decided to get ready for delivery and download the Wingsland app which I needed to operate the S6. Once the Wingsland app had uploaded onto my mobile phone, I had a look through it and noticed there was an inbuilt flight simulator. The DJI app has a flight simulator built into it, but in order to use it, you have to link the drone to the app. Basically, if you don't own a DJI drone, you can't use the DJI flight simulator. The Wingsland flight simulator is different, since you can use the Wingsland flight simulator without linking the drone to it, which means you can practice controlling an S6 even before buying one, which is pretty cool. The Wingsland flight simulator is basic, which is to be expected, but if it works well and offers a real-life S6 flying experience, then this shouldn't be a problem. So let's take a look at the Wingsland S6 flight simulator in detail. All of the camera options down the left-hand side of the screen are greyed out, which means there is nothing you can do with them. On the right-hand side of the screen, the return to home option is available, but only when the drone is in flight. The icon above the return home is greyed out. The arrow icon above this is available, but when you look into it you can't do anything as none of the options work in simulator mode. The cog icon, the settings icon, is available, but the only thing you can do here is to set the control to mode 1, mode 2 or motion sensitive. I only ever use mode 2, so this is my default setting. There is only one way to get the drone in the air, and that is to tap the takeoff button and then confirm auto takeoff. The S6 ascends to a height of 2.5 meters and then hovers. It's now time to take the controls and get flying the drone. To get the control sticks up, you simply place your thumbs on the screen and voila! Once the virtual sticks are on the screen, you can then use the left stick to ascend, descend, yaw to the right, yaw to the left, or do a combination of movements. With the right stick, you can use it to pitch forward, pitch back, roll to the left, roll to the right, or once again do a combination of movements. As you fly the drone, you can keep an eye on the flying height, the distance from the controller, the vertical speed and the horizontal speed. You can also keep track of orientation using the radar icon on the left of the screen. I have to say that the Wingsland S6 simulator is utter rubbish. The drone is slow, it doesn't manoeuvre and it isn't responsive. Using this simulator is boring and you're going to get bored and fed up of it in a matter of seconds. It really is that bad. When I first used the Wingsland S6 simulator, I hadn't taken delivery of my drone, and I have to say that I was seriously thinking about pulling the plug and cancelling my order. I mean, if flying the S6 drone was going to be like it is on the simulator, I didn't want it. If flying the S6 was going to be half as bad as flying the drone on this simulator, it was going to be a total waste of money. Even though I had my reservations, I decided to take a punt and give the S6 a chance, so I let the order stand, and I'm so glad I did. Okay, the S6 isn't fast and doesn't offer an edge-of-the-seat flying experience like racing drones do, but it is enjoyable to fly and use for taking aerial photos and video footage. If you decide to try the Wingsland simulator, please don't let it put you off buying the S6 drone. I can assure you that flying the S6 drone on the simulator is nothing like flying the S6 in real life. In fact, this simulator is so far off the mark it's not funny. The Wingsland flight simulator is a total waste of time and it won't give you any idea what it is like to actually fly the S6 drone. If Wingsland can't improve this flight simulator, they need to remove it from the app because it is a total waste of time of it being there. The bottom line is, don't even bother with this simulator.